Hi, and welcome back to a chat with Dr. Lucette. Today's question is anxiety a disorder? And before I answer the question, I want to touch on what is anxiety, what it looks like. So essentially, anxiety happens in your body and in your mind. So in your body, it can look like shortness of breath, your heart is racing, you're sweating, you're shaking maybe a little bit, you feel nauseous. It can feel like also difficulty to relax, so your shoulders may be up to your ears. If you're checking your blood pressure and you feel anxious, your blood pressure may be higher than normal. And in your mind, it sounds like a lot of worries. So, worrying about the future, worrying about relationships and your health and finances, worrying about things big and small, and then thinking about the worst case scenario and all the what if this happens, and what if I cannot handle it, and what if this happened next. So that's what anxiety looks like and sounds like. Now, to answer the question, is anxiety a disorder? The short answer is no. Anxiety is an emotion. It's part of being a human being. And I'm sure that all of you have at some point experienced some of the symptoms that I listed just a minute ago. But then too much anxiety can get you in trouble. It can get in the way of your day-to-day functioning, can get in the way of your quality of life. So when does anxiety become an anxiety disorder? Oftentimes the way we make the distinction is by gauging how much anxiety gets in the way of your functioning. So for instance, does anxiety get in the way of you functioning at work? Does anxiety get in the way of you seeking the medical care that you need? For example, are you avoiding hospitals and doctors because you are afraid of needles or getting an MRIs? So when it gets to be a problem like this, that can be possibly diagnosed as a disorder. Or are you so afraid of public speaking that you are, you're declining a promotion at work, or you're not able to initiate relationships or maintain relationship. So again, we're looking at how much your life is disrupted because of the anxiety. The last thing I will mention is that anxiety disorders are diagnosed by mental health providers or medical providers. There are sets of criteria that needs to be met to be diagnosed with an anxiety disorder. So if you feel that anxiety has been getting the best of you, that is overwhelming and getting in the way of your life, definitely reach out for help and get the support that you need. And I want to offer some hope that we know of great treatment modalities to help with anxiety, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, which is the gold standard to help with anxiety. So reach out, do not wait. You are not alone in this, and we can help. That's it for today. If you have questions or if you want more information, you can check out my website for services and blog post at www.drlucette.com, and I will talk to you soon.